Go over what we're going to cover in this module. First, we're going to take a look at some of the prerequisites that are required in order to start developing your iOS application. We'll go over everything that you need to get set up, and then we'll talk about some tips for developing on a low budget. Also, we'll cover installing Xcode. We'll look at where you can get Xcode and a little bit about the history of Xcode and some of the features and what it can do. And then I'll show you how to actually get it downloaded and installed, which is really simple. And then we'll take a tour of Xcode. And I'll just show you a live tour of some of the features of Xcode, some of the common things that you'll want to do, and get you a little bit familiar with the IDE. If you've come from a .NET background like myself, it's quite a different IDE, but it's actually a lot simpler than either Visual Studio or Eclipse. Then we'll go and create the Hello World program. We'll actually just launch a sample program and make sure that we can display Hello World in the text of an iPhone application, just to make sure that everything's working. And then finally, we're going to go over the iOS simulator. You'll probably be using this a lot in your iOS development, so it's good to understand what the simulator can do and how to use a simulator.